think it'll be able to hear us, do you?
Yeah, it did.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
We are just at Marmasa Island.
Marmasa Island.
Yeah, so we're just swimming around. It's like a little mini river that goes around the island. We've been in the reef, we've done our dolphin swim, we're having the best day, and then we're going to have a lunch and we're going to have loads of free drinks and it's going to be amazing.
They're building. We're building.
They are building. We actually there's another one over here. Trying to get through that.
Can you see it?
Oh
yeah.
Well, I could definitely get used to this all-you-can-eat free food style. So we have pulled pork here with fries, broccoli salad. This looks like a prawn pasta salad. This is a chicken Caesar salad with chicken. And this, I believe, is a meat wrap with Coke and a macabre butcher.
I basically got the same thing. I got mac and cheese and chicken, and then I got cake.
I'm going to go back for cake. It's not quite settled in that you're in, might as well be paradise. You've got my favourite beer on tap. We're going to go get a second lunch in a minute. Holly's got a pina colada. It's not boiling hot, but there's not a cloud in the sky. With a nice cool breeze, and we're sat behind a palm tree.
Oh yeah, we are.
Yeah.
Found the parrot! Oh, there's another one! Oh, wow. Marley's not a bird though.
Isn't it? It was a bird. It's under those rocks, chilling.
Go on then, go through the waterfall. Good luck. That won't protect you.
What have you got there?
Birdies.
Some snacks.
Comes nice with the birdies.
Hmm? Nope.
Hey, Paige.
Not hungry. And peach. And then move the bowl a bit. I'll move the.
We are in a cave. Doesn't look like the Cave of Wonders to me.
It almost looks like a dinosaur.
Does it always hang around like
What?
here? Does it always hang around here?
Honestly, like, he recently just came, so I guess this is his spot. We got it took over.
We're just leaving Discovery Cove.
Oh, I look like I'm a bit burned.
It's been an absolutely amazing day.
Look at this.
Well, yeah.
Oh,
We've got our Uber booked, 4 minutes. So we'll see you when we check in and do a room tour. This is a Nissan. Let's go. Is that Disney TV?
it is Disney TV.
We've only stayed in the Value All-Star Music before, so I was expecting about the same, but... So we checked into the room about 20 minutes ago. Discovery Cove was amazing. We spent all day there, so it's about 5:30 now. And I thought I'd give you a quick room tour before we mess it up. So here is a little door. And you open it up. And there's another door. It's a room sharing door. So we'll keep that one locked for the duration because we don't know who's next door unless we make friends with them. Stranger danger. We've got 2 very large double beds, of course. A nice table that is covered in all of our crap. Here is the view. So we're parked just there, the red car. Yeah, it's fine. It's not a road. Giant TV. Of course it's got Disney TV on. There's also a very, very large fridge which has a window in, which I've never actually seen before, but that'll make it easier to get the beer. Double sink bathroom. Again, this is something that was different from the value. And these, what's this? Open wardrobe with some coat hangers and a wall safe. That's pretty standard. Extra bedding. And then, as usual, the very, very low bath and bathroom. The room itself is a preferred one, so it's really close to the bus terminal, which is just outside. So if we do take the bus, which I think we will on a few occasions, it'll be easy. So we're just going to chill for a few hours until we decide what we want to do with the rest of the evening. I think we're pretty pooped because it's been a full-on day.